now what? Wanting, needing, waiting for you to justify my love. Hoping, praying for you to justify my love. Justify my love, yearning, burning for you to justify my love. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Talk to me. Tell me your dreams. Am I in them? Tell me your fears. Are you scared? Tell me your stories. I'm not afraid of who you are. We can fly.
Лара из города Мадым гипнотизировала вас и радовала своей красотой. Друзья, громко!